Listen!
Friends, it's good to meet you again, this time here in Malta, and I would like to weigh, especially in your region, and we were together as countries that satisfy the criteria. We are especially keen on the members on the rise, and we need good citizens from.
Thank you, my dear friend Joseph. Thank you very much for this hospitality. We are very happy, all delegation, because we are here in La Valletta, in Malta.